do's and don'ts of preventing acne. First thing is you have to be patient. So the severity of acne varies from person to person. It may be as mild as few comedons, and it can be as severe as you may have cystic lesions all throughout your face. So the improvement always depends on the grade of acne. If it is very mild, the improvement will be seen in just 1 week to 15 days, and if it is very severe, it can even take up to 3 to 6 months. So one has to have certain patience to take the treatment. The second thing is you should avoid self-medication. Most of the people, when they get acne, either they go to a medical shop or they ask their friends what kind of creams need to be used, and they just give you some random names, and you may actually end up having a bigger problem because the acne can increase. So it is always better you consult a doctor, and then the doctor will examine your skin and he will see what kind of lesions you have on the face, and based on that the treatment will be given, which will definitely help you for a better improvement. Third important thing is avoid using all those over-the-counter moisturizers or sunscreen, because these kind of moisturizers can actually be comedogenic, which can increase your pimples. So it is always better you go for a doctor recommendation. He will definitely prescribe you some scientific medicines which will not increase your acne. There are some good acne moisturizers, acne sunscreens where it can be given only for those who have got acne, and these are the best products for somebody who has got acne on his face. And the fourth important thing is stick to the treatment regime whatever the doctor has recommended you. And the fifth important point is, most of the people when they get acne, they usually have oily skin. They think that by washing their face too many times, they will reduce their acne, which in turn actually by washing too many times, the skin becomes more dry and irritated. And when you apply any cream on an irritated skin, the skin will show more of redness and irritation on the skin. So better to avoid too many times washing your face. And the seventh important point is avoid wearing too much of tight dresses, especially if you are having back acne, and if you are wearing too much of tight dresses, your acne can get aggravated. So always wear a loose fitting clothes if possible. And the eighth most important thing is, whenever you exercise, when there is a lot of sweating on the face, try to wash your face with the plain water. And the last important thing is, usually acne and dandruff go hand in hand. So if you have dandruff, treat it accordingly, and you can ask the doctor to treat your dandruff